To use phone microphone as microphone when using live transcript in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcript and then tap open live transcript. Tap audio and language section, tap microphone and then select the device mic. Tap OK button to save the change. Now when you use live transcript, it will use your phone microphone to capture the speed or sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. The speed or sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.